Welcome back, everyone. It's me. And today we are going to look at the top 10 deadliest animals in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is full of danger. With over 40,000 different animal species living in the Amazon rainforest, there are plenty of creatures that could take your life with ease. From biting ants to biting humans, so stay tuned. Number 10, vampire bats. If you aren't afraid of blood-sucking bats, then you should be. Vampire bats are the only bats that feed solely on blood, and they can carry many different diseases. These diseases include rabies, which is deadly to humans and other mammals. These bats are normally only active at night and will suck the blood of sleeping humans or animals. They usually target livestock instead of people, but they will attack if they feel threatened or cornered. On average, one vampire bat can drink up to 6 ounces of blood per night, which can be enough to kill someone if they have a blood disorder. A bite from a vampire bat may not break the skin, so it can be hard to realize you're being bitten. But if you do see a vampire bat flying around your head at night, run inside quickly. That's because vampire bats usually go for the jugular, which means that their bites are almost always fatal. No, 9 green anaconda. One of the most feared predators in the Amazon is the green anaconda. This snake grows to enormous sizes, reaching up to 30 feet long and 350 pounds heavy. While this snake doesn't spit venom, its bite is still dangerous. If this snake latches onto you and squeezes its body, it will cut off your air supply and crush your bones. Its bites are incredibly painful, and its teeth are designed for crushing prey. It also moves incredibly fast for its size, making it almost impossible to escape. Many people think that the green anaconda is the largest snake in the world. Even though it isn't, it is still one of the most feared snakes. And there have been rumors that giant anacondas exist even though no one has ever found one. Number 8. Bullet ants. There are some scary insects in the Amazon rainforest, but none are more terrifying than the bullet ant. This ant sting is one of the most painful stings on Earth. It releases a chemical called ponerotoxin into your bloodstream when it stings you. This chemical is extremely powerful and can even paralyze you for hours. The pain from these stings is what makes these ants so scary. When you get stung by a bullet ant, the pain is unbearable and can make you pass out. These ants will only sting you if they feel threatened, but if you find 2,000 members, and if they all sting you at once, you probably won't survive. Number 7. Electric eel. One of the scariest fish in the Amazon rainforest is the electric eel. This fish is not actually an eel, but it's classified as a knife fish. These knife fish have a special ability, which is to generate electricity. They do this by running electricity through their body. These eels can produce up to 600 volts of electricity, which is enough to stun prey and blow a human's heart. They can use this power to hunt and sometimes zap unsuspecting swimmers. These eels have special receptors on their snouts, which allow them to detect even the smallest electrical signals. This helps them to hunt better and avoid being hunted themselves. If you swim in the Amazon River and feel a sharp pain in your leg, you have probably been zapped by an electric eel. They usually don't mean to kill you, but if you thrash around, they could shock you again to stun you. Number 6. Black caiman. One of the scariest predators in the Amazon is the black caiman. This large reptile can grow up to 20 feet long and 1,000 pounds heavy. They are known to attack anything that enters their territory, including humans. Black caimans are very aggressive and will fight each other if they feel threatened. They are very good hunters and can take down prey twice their size. If you hear splashing in the water, don't go near it. That's because black caimans make a lot of noise when they are hunting. They have also been known to leap out of the water and eat their prey. So if you're swimming in the Amazon, watch out for black caimans. No. 5. Brazilian wandering spider. This spider is known as the most venomous spider in the world. It can deliver a lethal bite in less than 30 minutes. Luckily, these spiders aren't aggressive and won't attack unless provoked. Their venom is so strong that it can kill you in just 15 minutes. Even touching this spider could be deadly. The good news is that these spiders aren't common. So if you are in the Amazon, you probably won't come across one. But if you do, keep calm and move away slowly. That's because these spiders can sense danger and will move away if it feels threatened. If it does bite you, however, you need to seek medical attention immediately. There is an anti-venom, but it isn't always available. No. 4. Oh. Sawtooth viper. This snake is one of the most poisonous snakes in the Amazon rainforest. It has long fangs and a bite that can cause tissue death. They are normally found in trees and like to sleep during the day. This snake has a distinctive saw-like marking down its back and comes in many different colors, including green, brown, and red. If you do get bitten by this snake, it is vital that you seek medical help straight away. That's because its venom is so powerful that it can kill you in just 2 hours. But if you don't panic and remain still, you might survive. Bites from this snake are rare, but if you are going to travel through the Amazon, make sure you bring some anti-venom, just in case. No. 3. Bull shark. One of the scariest animals in the Amazon is the bull shark. This shark is known for its aggression and is one of the few species that can survive in both salt and fresh water. This means that it can be found in the Amazon River and is one of the main reasons that people are scared to swim in the Amazon. Bull sharks can grow up to 13 feet long and weigh 500 pounds. They are often referred to as the world's most dangerous shark, even though it isn't the biggest. Bull sharks have been responsible for hundreds of attacks on humans, and their strength and speed make them almost impossible to outrun or fight off. If you see a bull shark in the water, dive under the surface as quickly as possible. The bull shark's jaws are incredibly powerful and can easily crunch through bone. No. 2. Goliath bird eater. If you're scared of spiders, then don't come to the Amazon. That's because there are many huge spiders in the rainforest, and the Goliath bird eater is one of the scariest. It's the heaviest tarantula in the world and has a leg span of up to 11 inches. These tarantulas are mostly active at night and will flee from danger rather than stand and fight. Some people keep them as pets, and although they can be dangerous, they are beautiful creatures. Their fur can be very toxic, and it is recommended that you do untouch one of these spiders. If you're walking through the Amazon and see an enormous spider running away from you, don't chase after it. If you do, it could lead to an unpleasant encounter, and these tarantulas can live up to 25 years in captivity. No. 1. Yellow-vented Amazon. Even though yellow-vented Amazons are beautiful birds, they are also very dangerous. These birds are known for being aggressive and territorial and can become very vicious if they feel threatened. Their beaks are very strong and can easily break bones. In some cases, these birds have even killed other animals, such as dogs and cats. If you try to steal their eggs or young, they will relentlessly attack you. This is why it is important to never go near a yellow-vented Amazon nest. You can tell a male yellow-vented Amazon by the yellow patch on its belly. These patches are used to attract a mate and are only present on males. So if you see a yellow patch on an Amazonian bird, stay well clear. Females don't have these markings and are much rarer than males. So if you do spot a female yellow-vented Amazon, it will be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. But now it's time for you to make your voice heard. Comment below which was the scariest animal on this list. If you want to see more videos like this one, stay tuned for more content. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.